It's dismantling those norms and allowing people the freedom to expression. You don't have to be defined by how you were assigned at birth to express yourself in the way that you deserve to. My name's Alex. I use they, them pronouns, and today I'm getting a gender-affirming haircut. I identify as transmasculine, non-binary. I started my gender transition in 2019. With getting a gender-affirming haircut today, it continues to play into my identity because I find that fluidity helps me a lot, especially with my mental health journey. Gender dysphoria is a real thing, especially within the trans, gender nonconforming community. Affirming your gender for me, I don't see it like as there's like a checklist to it. And I don't see that I will ever stop evolving in that way where it's like, I get to look at myself and just see this interesting, adaptable being, allowing myself this opportunity and this freedom to just be like, you know what? You are not boxed in by what's growing out of your head right now. So I'm really excited to see what the results are today.
I'm Sara, I use she, her pronouns, and I'm a gender-neutral barber. Hairrari is a gender-neutral barbershop, and we specialize in gender-affirming haircuts. It's an all-inclusive space where everyone is welcome, regardless of their gender or background. Hey, how are you?
Hey, good, it's great to see you.
Good to see you. What are you thinking today?
I'm thinking of doing something short on the sides and then just leaving some of this along this on the top.
Okay, that sounds great.
Cool.
Let's do it.
Cool, all right.
So first we will start by just cutting off, the chunk that we don't really need anymore. Then we are going to shampoo it. After that, I'm going to section it. And then dry the sides just to see how it lays. And after that, I'll be buzzing it and going, from longer to shorter, doing a nice fade. A fade means that you go from gradually shorter to longer. Today we're gonna do a one fade, which means that the shortest clipper guard is gonna be a number 1. And then you gradually from there go 1.5, 2, 3. I'm going to split it down the middle, see how it falls, and then cut some length off. Cut some more depending on how it looks. And after that, I'm going to dry it and then texturize it a lot. Alex has a lot of hair, so we want to texturize that, take some weight off so that it can feel flowy, easy to style. The styling products that I will be using is our dust, which is a texturizing powder. And then after that, I'm gonna put in the Dream Cream, which is just a cream with a little bit of hold to bring out the texture. All right, you ready to see your new look?
Yeah.
Let's go.
All right. Oh, wow.
There you are.
Man, there's my face.
Now you can, you're wearing it kind of like volume up, but you can also do like a wet look, for example, and just kind of have it fall naturally. And then the growing out process will be fun as well, because as this gets a little longer, then maybe you can play with some texture and this will come down more.
I'm so excited.
Good.
Thank you. I'm so grateful. This is incredible. Yeah, I'm looking forward to seeing how this hairstyle evolves for me. I love the new style. I'm surprised to see my face again after so long. I really like exploring between the binaries, masculinity, femininity, finding that sweet spot of androgyny and gender neutrality. Playing with the term non-binary and masculinity and femininity is wearing things that would have been defined as feminine and masculine and finding a way to marry the two. It's cool to kind of define my own presentation. I know that young Alex would be absolutely in awe and very, very proud of this person sitting in this chair right now. It's like beyond a dream come true for me that I get to look feel, sound, exist freely as I wanted to my whole life. And I'm grateful for every step that I've taken to get here, and that there are supportive places like this where there are people who welcome you with open arms and just accept you and love you right then and there for who you are.